Dapat ay nirekonsidera ng COMELEC ang redistricting law o ang Bangsamoro Autonomy Act No. 77 bago pa man nagdesisyon ng komisyon na sundin ang BAA 50 ang kanilang ipatutupad ayon kay Deputy Speaker Attorney Ishak Mastura. Gayunman, ginagalang ni Deputy Speaker Mastura ang desisyon ng COMELEC na aniyay tanggapan ng mga ngasiwa sa eleksyon. Sa ngayon, puspusan na ang pangangampanya ng maraming partido at kandidato para sa BARM parliamentary election, kung saan 73 seats lamang ang pagbobotohan sa halalan.
Ang sinabi ng COMELEC is they will implement yung original law na redistricting, no? Yung Bangsamoro Autonomy Act 58, kasi dahil daw sa kakulangan ng material time. So naintindihan natin yun na that's their decision and they came out with a resolution for that, no? Yung buong Commission and Bank. But on the same day that they came out with the resolution, we actually published already the Bangsamoro Autonomy Act 77, which is the new redistricting law that reapportioned or reallocated the seats from Sulu, the 7 seats from Sulu. So in terms of effectivity, naging effective yung on the same day as their resolution. So they should have taken that into consideration bago pa man nag-decide sila na Bangsamoro Autonomy Act 58 na ang kanilang i-implement. So there is that clash between the resolution and our law. But since they are the one administering the election, malamang we are now deep into the campaign period, no? Matutuloy na po siya ang election using the BAA 58. And narinig ko naman din po sa kanila, sa COMELEC, kay Chair Garcia, na they are open kung sinong mag-question sa kanilang actions. That will be after the fact na, kasi things are moving unless there will be a temporary restraining order or a preliminary mandatory injunction coming from a case filed insisting na yung Bangsamoro Autonomy Act 77, the new redistricting law, will be the one that we will implement.